Hey, what's going on YouTube? This video is only for educational purposes. This is not a financial advice. If you're planning on investing, please take your time, do your own research, and invest at your own risk. With that being said, let's get started. So AMC right now is currently at $55. It went up earlier to a $60 mark, but it went down immediately. And right now we are holding up at $55 range. One thing I want to share with you guys is this. Do not fall for this. We have some news titles right here, like this one is saying these AMC insiders sold $8 million of stock during last week. They are trying to scare retail investors away from AMC. Keyword right here is AMC insiders, meaning that even insiders do not believe in the stock and they do not want to hold for a long term. And this is just a psychological tactic to scare away people from this. Now, if you actually pay attention and read about this news, you will know that only very, very few people are actually selling. And if you think about it, it's only $8 million of stock. Let's look at the market cap of AMC right now. It is $27.5 billion. Do you really think $8 million of stock is going to affect AMC in any way? It is absolutely not going to affect it in any single way. They're just trying to scare you away. Another thing that you want to pay attention to is this. CNBC confirmed with Melissa Lee there is some naked shorting happening against meme stocks, and that is in a way to show that there is illegal things happening to short these meme stocks, which is manipulative in the stock market. And after they got all your attention, once they confirmed there is illegal naked shorting going on, not just because they have your attention, they are saying forget AMC. Two traders share their own high risk, high reward stock bets. And now just because they have your attention, they got your attention, they want you to get distracted with other stocks. So do not fall for this. What you really need to focus on is this: what's going on right now in in the firms, hedge funds, and all that stuff. So right now we have Wall Street stockbrokers. They are strengthening the rules for those who want to bet against retail traders' most popular meme stocks. We're talking about AMC, we're talking about Microvision and GameStop. So we have Bank of America, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, Jefferies Financial Group. They are all adjusting their risk control in their operations. What does that mean? That means that these banks are trying to protect themselves against fallout from extreme surges. That means that the price of the AMC can go immediately to the moon and they're going to be in trouble. These banks are going to be in trouble and from extreme surges and dips. Now, if you pay attention to AMC, and every time it goes up, it dips. So if it goes up, they're gonna be losing money. If it dips after that, they're gonna lose money too. So what they're trying to do is pretty much protect themselves from that happening. And if we take a look right here, the changes mean that some hedge funds and other institutional investors are now facing higher collateral requirements. And the reason why they are making higher collateral requirements, it is to prevent people from shortening these stocks unless you really want to risk it. And Jeffrey's Prime Brokerage, he says we no longer offer custody on naked options. And for those people that don't know what naked options are, they allow investors to short a stock without owning the underlying securities, which is in some ways are illegal. Now, another thing that I want to share with you guys is this. We have an Interactive Brokers founder who his name is Thomas Peterfee, and he says that these meme stocks such as AMC GME can reach unimaginable highs. He is telling short sellers to resist the temptation. He's saying it is extremely tempting to short these stocks But unless you have a huge liquid resources, please do not try it, because you will end up in a really bad situation right here. He is saying that these prices can actually go up to a high price and can go up beyond $100. It can go beyond $200. But he is telling retail investors, if the price go up to a $200 or $300 or a $400 a share, making no money, it is going to be impossible to hold these prices. So he is telling people, hey, if you made your money, please do not hold for long, because at the end of the day, the price is going to dip. And he is pretty much trying to be nice and tell retail investors, if you made your money, take it and leave. Now, again, we have some huge movement going on with AMC. We are trying to take it all the way to the moon and hold over there for as long as we can. If we take a look at AMC right now, this is what we see. We see a massive sell going on earlier today, but we are trying to hold as much as we can in the $55 range, between 54 and 3. But it is going on right now, is being sold off a little bit. But I believe if we hold long enough, we can go to the moon and we can reach the $100 mark. And it's not just me alone. A lot of people are waiting for AMC to reach the $100 mark. And remember, this will take some time. So it is important to hold for a long term. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, watch my other videos. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel.